This conference will now be recorded.
So something that keeps popping up is the construction scope. So we can see this model. We've got a fairly complete model here in some respects. Windows, walls, framing, floors, roof, etc. You see that we've included foundation, substructure, superstructure, and internal finishes. In this case, all of these other items, fittings, services, prefab, work to existing building, they're not included in the scope of the construction works, and we haven't included it in the LCA. It's important to update this at the structure level. So in the ETL hierarchy, we have our project, and we have our structure, then we have our different model iterations. At the structure level here, we have structure info, construction scope, and energy and water scope. In the construction scope, I've got substructure ticked, superstructure is partially ticked. We've included the roof, so I want to tick that. We've included finishes, but we haven't included any of these other items. They're out of scope, so I want to just make sure that that's up to date. This doesn't reflect the results in any way. It's just best practice for reporting. We have now this updated. We can also update the energy and water scope. Maybe we aren't including energy at all in this LCA study, or maybe we're just including regulated energy. So we'll just look at heating, HVAC, lifts, lighting. And remove these other items. That's now nice and updated, and what that feeds through to is some of our automated reports. So here's the LCA report, and in that we have nice summaries of the modeling and what's been done, what's included and what's not included. And as part of that, as part of EN 15978, we need to include a chapter on the scope of the study. And these tables are populated based on what you've selected at the structure level. Here we go. So you have your structure scope here, in scope partially or out of scope completely. So this is just a nice way of presenting what you've included to the design team, so everybody knows what's in there and what's not in there, and feeds through from this structure tick boxes here. So make sure that you've done that before you run your LCA report, so that it's up to date, and also before you put the model in for certification, as it's something that we like to check ourselves.